Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to convert Excel file into PDF in the Excel sheet itself. This is the Excel file that I have opened in my laptop. If you want to get PDF file of this sheet, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the file option here, file option, click on file, and here select save as, and here you go to select Excel, that is file type, to PDF. Okay, otherwise you can also save to any location, your desired location. For that, go to browse, and then here it will go to your local disk like this, and here you can select the desired location, and by default it is in documents, and you can select a different location using uh, my PC, this PC, and here I select new volume D, and here in the save on type you go to select PDF one. Okay, see here, PDF is available here, and just select it, and here you can name the file. Okay, you can give any name, desired name, and then click on save. Yes, it will be saved as a PDF file, and it is opened. See here. To see the PDF file location, you can go to the desired destination, that is what where you have saved, uh, for where you have saved, to that location you got to go. Actually saved in new volume D, and see here PDF file is available, you can open it. So in this way you can easily convert Excel sheet, your current Excel sheet, into PDF. Just you can use your Excel software itself. You don't need to go for other software. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.